Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. At the time of this recording, we have also lost a key area of support at around the $0.5 mark and also a significant high at around the $0.4839 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have now fully maximized our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And you can see that we have even seen a close below this target area, suggesting that we need to have a change of this Elliot wave structure that I have right here. And before I do so and then give you the short-term scenarios and also my breakdown targets here on the Fantom chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Fantom chart on the long-term scenarios before we can get to the short-term scenarios, where you can see that Fantom, after seeing its bear market low down here, we started these massive bounce to the upside obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we started this 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.65 mark, and also completed the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was the start of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that played out over here and also bottomed out within this blue target area, that is this yellow target area, which was our minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is impulsive, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that has been giving me the short-term scenarios, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now my primary scenario has been that we are in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to put in place the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And within the formation of this wave 3, which is impulsive, I was also expecting to see a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3. But at the time of this recording, you can see that we have now hit invalidation points of this Elliot wave structure, because in my previous video I said to you that using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I gave you a minimum retracement area in the formation of the wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And since we have lost the fib level 0.78, that now means that this Elliot wave structure right here has now hit the invalidation point. And because of that, I need to remove it from my charts and view this movement to the upside as something else, where we can term this structure as an ABC corrective structure, where we can term this as the wave A, then this as an overshooting wave B, and then expect one more leg down in the formation of that wave C to give us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2. So that means that there are chances that in case the breakdown continues, Fantom is going to give us a reset of this second wave right here. But that doesn't mean that we cannot see a trend reversal from the prices that we are trading within. That is still a possibility. There are chances that we can reverse from the current prices that we are trading within, continue gearing up, see a break above the significant high at around the $0.4839 mark, see a break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark, and continue gearing up. But as long as we are holding below those areas here on the charts, we still have the possibility of having a reset of this second wave right here, whose target areas lies between the $0.4194 mark and the $0.3541 mark. So the moment the breakdown continues over here and we lose the key area of support at around the $0.41 mark, chances are Fantom is going to continue seeing further breakdown into this red target area, which lies between the $0.4194 mark and the $0.3542 mark. So that is what you can expect here on the short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart, and those are my breakdown targets. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross supporting higher prices, and at the time of this recording you can see we are seeing a bit of a sharp decrease in the buying momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.